Let's get to the second story because it kind of sort of dovetails in terms of what people with a lot of money are doing. And that's wealthy families are actually stockpiling cash on recession fears. This comes from a UBS survey.
Something interesting about this is that UBS has seen this for some time now, not to mention since the last time we kind of checked in with UBS on this, their chief investment officer went negative on stocks. What else happened? The negative interest rates in Europe also became a much bigger issue, certainly for UBS that's charging their clients, some clients to hoard some cash. And then you have others like Bill Gates that say, no, invest in equities. We mostly invest in equities. We don't keep our money in cash to get a return.
So when you hear that rich people are keeping money in cash, like literally, what do you think?
It's a positive for equities.
Okay, that's what I was going to say, because they'll just rush back in.
If you look at money market assets, they have absolutely skyrocketed.
True.
And it's not the last 6 months, it's the last 2.5 years. And you are at a point, and again, this goes back to the psychology of rates moving higher. We think at some point, that money goes into equities, likely next year sometime.
Well, what's interesting too, a lot of the money they see moving into real estate and private equity in the next year or so, one would think those are overvalued too right now.
It's a function of interest rates, and look, there is a lot of liquidity still in the system. You've had haircuts in private equity, you've had haircuts in deals coming to the public. The market is still reasonably rational in our view.